Hey everybody, and welcome to 10 for Tech. I'm Marquita Patterson, and today I'm going to be introducing you to your Webex Training Center. Your Webex Training Center gives you the ability to kick up your online interactions just a notch. You can deliver live interactive sessions and keep your participants engaged throughout the entire process. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule those training sessions and also how to incorporate your breakout sessions during the scheduling process. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in my Webex platform and I am in my modern view. So on the left hand side of the screen, you will want to click on your WT for your Webex Training Center. Next, you will see your list of tabs on the left hand side. So here we can schedule an instant session, which we would just go ahead and get started, or you can schedule a training. So let's click on schedule a training. Here you have to insert all of your information. So let's name our session. Next, do you want to automatically delete this session after it ends? And that is generally already highlighted. So next is your audio conference. You want to always make sure that it says your Webex audio. Another important piece is that some participants will forget to mute their microphones. So a lot of presenters or a lot of hosts would like to use the mute attendees upon entry option. So you will click that here. Next is to set up your date and time. You will want to check that and make sure all of that is correct here. And if your meeting is an hour, let's say we want to give it an hour, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, just in case there are a few extra questions or some of the conversation runs long. So you want to give yourself a little extra time. Next, you have your registration process, and this is a pretty cool piece also. So you can require your attendees to register, and you can even set up a customized form. So if you click that, you can see what you can insert into that form. So you can have your attendees to put in their first name, last name, email address, even their address, and all this good stuff. In your next section, here's where you will invite attendees. So click on invite attendees and let's put in someone's name, then their email address. Okay, and do I want to have this person as an alternate host? I will indicate that here. And when I'm done, I will click add attendee. Okay, that will be taken to the top of the screen. So I want to click in the box here and then invite. And now they will get an email with all of the Webex Training Center login information in it. My presenters, I can put their email address here. Okay, my next session is all of the features that will be in my training center session. So I have the file share, I have the ability to send video, I can chat, I can do polling, I can do desktop sharing, I can do all of that here. I can add and take away any of those options in the edit options. Okay, and my next part is the greeting message. So this is what your participants will see when they enter into your training session and you have not yet opened the session. So you can click this box here, display this message when your attendees join the session, and you can also customize this message. Okay, next is your breakout sessions. So this is a great piece in the training session. So here you can click on your box here to enable pre-assignment. So this will come when before your attendees enter into the meeting. Or if you don't know how many attendees are coming and you just want to wait and see, you can uncheck that box uncheck that box and we can manually assign participants to a breakout session. Once we get into a session, I will show you how the breakout rooms look within your training session. Here, under your email options, this is just the emails that your participants will receive whenever you make changes to your Webex Training Center. So do you want your participants to receive an email when you add or delete something, or when you change the time? You can do all of that here. And add tests, and that will come in a later video. So when you have filled out all of your information in your training center scheduling part, you can either hit start a session or schedule. So that is all for the intro to your Webex Training Center. So please stay tuned for more, and remember, it's really not that hard.